Here's the unboxing of the BB gun. Well, I unboxed it already, but here's the Amarix CO2 power semi-automatic. 19 rounds. Here's the gun. There's a safety button, so that way it won't shoot BBs out. If you want to shoot BB, you hold that button down and pull it to the other side, and it will show the orange. That means you can shoot BBs. They give you a free mag. And for the CO2, you lift this open. You can twist it under here to tighten it. This was like 30 bucks at Walmart. Also bought these BBs, 2,400. It's cheap, it's only like 5 bucks. It goes 410 feet per second. And that's pretty much all. Yep.